To download and install Google Play Store app on Windows PC or laptop, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search type Play Store, then hit enter. Here you will find the first link, Android apps on Google Play. Click on this link. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then go to Cast, Save and Share and click on Install Page as App. Here you can rename. I'm making the name short, only Google Play. Then click on Install. And look, Google Play Store is installed on my Windows laptop. Now close Play Store. This one is the Google Play Store desktop shortcut icon. I'm opening it. To pin this icon on taskbar, right click on play icon on taskbar and click on pin to taskbar. Now you can install your favorite app on your Android phone from your laptop or computer. To install an app to your Android mobile, click on the app and then click on install. Select your mobile phone here and then click on install. This app will be installed to your mobile phone from this Windows computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.